You guys be ready. I'm probably not gonna have a shot.
Whoa! Slow.
No. I got two. Whoa! No, watch. I got Piper on point.
Whoa!
Go back. You see that? Whoa, Lila.
Whoa.
Bubba, you gonna flush it?
Yeah. I'll try to get it straight.
Whatever you can, yeah.
Whoa.
Leo.
Whoa.
Be ready, you guys. Lily, bang.
Whoa.
You guys be ready. I'm probably not gonna have a shot.
Whoa! Slow.
No. Alright. He had a shot. Attaboy, Leo. Here. Come on, Leo. Alright, I think there's people coming. We should open up. Leo, here. Here. Oh. Okay. Good boy. Good shot, Augie. Okay. Hang on. Let me see if she stops, otherwise I'll wall her. Yeah, them too. Do you think she pointed or she backed on Lila? I think she's backing.
Whoa!
Because she's looking at her. I think Lila just, whoa. Lila just did her first back. See if he can see the covey or something.
Whoa.
Not a lot of wind today.
I see it.
Single, huh? Lila got that retrieve. I bet you money. Lila! Fetch. Oh. Out. I'm coming up, but if you gotta take it, you take it, okay? Leo is backing. Whoa, Lila. She's right here in front of me.
Whoa!
Be ready, babe.
You want me to flush it?
Sure. I just. Leo.
Oh, there's a covey.
Covey?
Whoa! I'd like a ton of them.
All right. So try to flush it that way.
Yeah, Leo's on top of them.
Oh.
Whoa.
All right. You ready, baby? Be ready. Yeah. Watch the bird pick your target. Pick one.
You want to bring him over here?
Huh.
Because they're gonna fly in front of him.
Ven para acá, no, aquí mira, para acá corre. Aquí mira, ponte aquí. Porque van a volar para allá.
Hey, stop. Whoa.
Lily, no. No. Oh, crap. You ready? Ready. I got two, man.
Pick that up from far.
She did. Leo, good boy, Leo. Good retrieve. Leo here.
How many? That was like 10 birds.
Leo, here.
Did we
Leo. Hold.
Piper, come.
Hold. Here.
Oh, she got one good. Piper,
Here. Okay. So we got 3 out of that covey.
come. Oh, come.
I know I hit 2 over here. ¿Tú le diste una allá?
Give.
¿Tú crees que le diste a 2 también?
Girl. Good, Piper. Piper, good girl.
All right, so he thinks he might have hit more too. Let me search over here for what I thought went down back here.
Three or four went in there too. They
Yeah.
went all over the place.
Hey, Lila, come here. Lila, here, fetch. I gotta be honest with you, the first one that came up, I shot it without even mounting the gun on the shoulder. It was that close. Lila, come on, Leo, hunt him up. Lila's birdie. We got a point. Point. Whoa. Dentro. Venga, amor. Ponte allí más adentro, mira, amor. A la derecha. No, ahí, ajá, coge tú ahí. Tú coge ahí, mira, arriba la lomita es ahí. Be ready to shoot. ¿Estás listo, Naoki? All right. Amor, you ready? Leo, no. You ready? Lila, whoa. Listo, amor. Oh, está allí, mira, caminando, ¿la ves? ¿La estás mirando? Acércate, Lily, amor, acércate tú. Sale de atrás de la mata. You want to flush her, babe? Lila, whoa. She's looking at her now. Be ready with your gun. Did I hit it? I think I hit it. Be careful here, because they might fly again. Easy. Whoa. Okay, watch out, Bobby. It's gonna flush away. It's right here and it's not dead. It's right here and it's not dead. Both of them are now. You got the whoa. Leo. Whoa. Damn it. Whoa. Did we kill it?
Yeah.
Nice. Lila went to get it, did she?
Yeah. Lila got it.
Good girl, Lila.
She wild.
Hold.
Over there.
Hold. Out.
She hunts her ass off.
Yeah, Lila's hunting weird. I don't know if because she's being crated and she's like out of control, or what the heck it is. Leo.
Aren't you glad we go through nabs and stuff so we're not yelling at our dogs like those guys?
So I was telling them, like, let's get out of here because these guys are crazy.
But they just don't have control over their dogs.
Yeah.
I say Piper come and she comes. I tell her to heel and she heals.
Yeah.
I don't need to.
And you can just use the whistle and call them back. They're kind of birdie, right? Point?
Yep.
Got a point from Lila. It's gonna be tough. It's gonna be tough. Ah, ponte ahí, amor. Ahí a la derecha. Easy, Leo. Ponte ahí, mira. Vengan, paciencia. Y Leo. Lily, no. Baby, you be ready. Be ready, Lee. I think that bird is walking. Easy, Lily. Lily, no. No.
Lily.
Damn it. Lily, no te voy a traer más. Lily. Lily, ven. Ven.
Whoa.
She's probably looking at the bird. This is a bird that we're gonna have to try to push out of here very slowly. See if it gets to the edge in the woods and then try to shoot it, babe. Come here, babe. Keep walking forward slowly.
Is that it?
Huh?
I thought I heard close.
I didn't hear anything. Let me move her. Okay, Lila. I know it's walking because she was sniffing it and walking. You say you heard a flush? She's working hard. Hmm? Like she really wants to find a bird. Watch that there. Got a point over there? I don't see them running. We got a point in the back, Bobby. Get up there, babe. Be ready with your safety and everything. Go on the right side of Lila. Oh, I see it. Oh, it's on the tree. All right. Watch it again. All right, I see it.
Yeah, I see it.
Let's see if we can get that again. Yeah, be ready here. All right, she stopped.
Oh shit.
No, watch.
I catch it.
I don't know about you guys, but I think I hit it.
I was about to catch it.
I saw you.